song or a happy composition is now the lyrical content. Piano player first. First he established the melody. So in piano player like that. So, that means we are creating melodies now. That means we are creating melodies now on real time. In real time. So, kita enggak sih dengan cara untuk indah ini trend. You know it go by. We